Here I have OPPO A12, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the additional settings, and here you have keyboard and input method. Then you go to the Gboard, languages, add keyboard, and here you can see the whole list of languages which you can type on this device. As you can see, it's pretty enormous. Let's select some pretty language. For example, Greek. And then tap done. And let's try to write down something in English. And as you can see, now I have Greek keyboard here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.